पयलींच कित्याक बोवाळ घालता स्पीकर सर? हांवें सर हें सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. म्हजें म्हणणें आजुनी ग्रीन प्रोजेक्टांक सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आसा.
आजच्या अधिवेशनादरम्यान नौशी मरीना प्रकल्पाविशीं प्रश्न आमदार क्रूज सिल्वा हांणी केलो. ह्या प्रकल्पाक लागून नुस्तेमारीचेर बरोच परिणाम जातलो. नौशीचे पारंपारीक नुस्तेकारांक बरोच फटको बसतलो, जाचें परिवर्तन जावंक पावचें ना अशेंय ह्या वेळार आमदारान म्हणलें. मात मिनिस्टर आलेक्स सिक्वेरा हांणी हाचेर जाप दितना सांगलें की सद्याक CZMP 2011 हो अमलात आसा आनी जसो प्लॅन आसा त्या प्रमाण हाचेर सरकार निर्णय घेतलो. मात सरकार हाका परमिशन दितलो आनी हो इको फ्रेंडली प्रोजेक्ट अशें मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी म्हणिल्लें असो आरोप आमदार क्रूज सिल्वा तशेंच विरोधी पक्ष नेते युरी आलेमाव हांणी केलो. मजगतीं आमी ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक कसलेंच परमिशन वा EC दिल्ली ना. हाचेर पब्लीक हियरींग अजून जावपा आसा असो दावो आमदारान केला.
To the Marina project, when Honorable CM intervened and said that this is a green project and it is supposed to provide employment, the reply provided to me to my question, an additional document that we have obtained in the previous assembly session and that is in the public domain, I would differ with Honorable CM that says that the project is a devastation to the ecology, marine life of the fragile area and also will destroy the livelihood of traditional fishermen who are predominantly from ST category. Now, with this reply shows that the project proponent has approached GCZMA for the approval. And as per the reply, we understand that the matter is under scrutiny of the department. The people of Nausi and entire Zuari coast are worried. So, my first supplement, the original proposal for the public hearing for the environment impact assessment was withheld due to the public opposition, and even High Court observed that unless CZMP 2011 was finalized, no decision should be taken on this project. Now the requirement of EIA has been exempted from this project as a result of amendment made in the Environment Protection Act by Expert Appraisal Committee of Ministry of Environment of Government of India. As per the reply, the company has approached the आता company has approached for the NOC.
एक लक्षात धर, तुका उत्तर दिल्ले आसा. तुझो प्रश्न स्पेसिफिक विचार न्ही.
Now the company has approached from the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority on 15/9/2023. So पहिलो तो CZMP plan is in 2019 is going on. पहिलो त्याचा जाऊ ना 2011 फायनल जाऊन ना. आता 2019 अजून फायनलाइज झालं ना. So
प्रश्न कितें तुजो? प्रश्न नेमको प्रश्न तुजो नेमको प्रश्न विचार.
GCZMA has taken any decision on this project before finalizing of CZMP plan 2019.
Yes.
To decision घेतलो हेजेर 2019 CZMP plan जायना पहिले.
Speaker sir, my honorable colleague has said that CZMP 2019 is under process. Am I right? 2019 is not complete, it's under process.
So पहिला 2011 जाऊन ना म्हणते जाऊन.
As of today, CZMP 2011 is in force. So we will go by 2011.
2011
I'm on my feet. You have spoken of the High Court judgment. The High Court judgment says that until CZMP 2011 is finalized, this application cannot be entertained.
But आता 2019 CZMP चालवता. आता तो अजून फायनल
सिल्वा आन्सर कंप्लीट कर.
19 फायनलाइज झालं ना सो तो डिसिजन
सिल्वा
2019 will take its own time to be completed.
So 2019 जावपासून तुम्ही रावपा जाय न्हू.
No, as of today, 2011 is in force.
Yes, दुसरा प्रश्न तुजो.
So environment impact assessment report and it was prepared by the project proponent to a recognized institute and submitted to the government. It clearly shows that there will be a negative impact on fisheries, and the fact that the Zuari Bay between Sankwada in Marmangwa Taluka and Naushi in Sant Andre has a presence of endangered species called window plane oysters, which is found only in Zuari Bay, here in entire west coast of India, and overall found only in 3 places in the world. The proposed, त्यांना पहिला मरीना प्रोजेक्ट सांकवाळी प्रोजेक्ट प्रपोज केला, पूण थिंगा रिजेक्ट केला फकत हे रिजना लागून. जर थिंग रिजेक्ट केला जाल्यार हिंग कित्याक वता? सेम प्रॉब्लम हिंगा आहा. तो रिपोर्टार सगळें सांगलो हा, हे सगळें इफ डॅमेज जाता ती इरिवर्सिबल. जेन्ना ही डॅमेज जातली ती पोत्यान मेळपाना जाल्यार सांकवाळे रिजेक्ट जाल्यार हिंग कित्याक रिजेक्ट जायना?
Because the circumstances in Sankwal and the circumstances here are different. You have referred to the window pane oysters. That is not available this side. Biodiversity varies from place to place.
Because the village of village Panchayat Kurka, Bamboli, whose jurisdiction the project fall has opposed the project on every occasion and had several Ram Sabha in Naushi ward to oppose the project. Several other Panchayat, even the municipality of Vasco has opposed the project, where Marmara Port Authority operates from, who has floated this idea of marina cleaning, claiming that the entire coast in Goa comes under its jurisdiction. Also, several other panchayat and other organizations, local fishermen, environmentalists called Goenka against Marina, has opposed the project. Also, the fishermen and the locals has opposed the project, even fought in the court. Despite of all this opposition and the threat to livelihood of fishermen, why is the government supporting the project, which claim it is to be green? As per the reply given to me, not a single visit has been conducted by the experts of Goa State Pollution Control Board. Fisheries Department and visit Kerala, Goa Diversity Board and Kerala, Goa State Coastal Zone Management and Agency in Azun Pasu thing visit Kerala. Not a single visit by ministers, even as an environment minister, fisheries minister, MP or not, nor even a Honorable Chairman Pasu thing visit Kerala. Zala walk kitya gote.
Because I don't understand what makes the honorable member come to the conclusion that the government is supporting this project. Just because the chief minister has not visited.
एक पासून डिपार्टमेंट थिंगा विजिट मारला पुरो प्रोजेक्ट टू फॉरवर्ड करते.
Pardon me?
एक पासून डिपार्टमेंटान थिंगा एक पासून मुंच्या थिंगा ते साइटीचे विजिट मारला.
And yet you say the government is supporting the project. And yet you say that the government
सपोर्ट
is
करता.
supporting the project.
लास्ट टाइम सीएमान सांगला इट्स अ ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट आणि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिता तो सपोर्ट करता न्हू.
No, CM has not said that.
Statement केला लास्ट टाइम इट्स अ ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट आणि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दितला तो प्रोजेक्ट.
Just one correction.
Statement.
The Honorable Chief Minister about
Sir,
3
I am
days
on my
back.
feet.
Yeah, 3 days
Don't
back,
please
he
sit, I
has
am
made
on
a
my feet.
statement. You
Speaker,
have made a
sir, I am on
statement,
my
Chief
feet.
Minister.
What is your issue? What makes you say that we are supporting? I am telling.
Statement केला CM it's a green project आणि तिका एम्प्लॉयमेंट जातले.
I am telling you, in my answer I have said that we are yet to take a view on this particular project.
स्टेटमेंट केला न्हू सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केला इट्स अ ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट आणि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दितले.
Just 3
It's a
days
green
back,
project.
1 minute. Just 3 days back, Honorable Chief Minister has made a statement that this project is a green project and he will go ahead. That is why.
स्पीकर सर, हांवें सांगलां की ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट मरिना सारकिले जे प्रोजेक्ट येता हांकां सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आसा. ताणें जें म्हटलां पळय न्ही, आजून आमी आमचो स्टँड
We have
जो
not
आसा
taken
त्या
a stand.
प्रोजेक्टाचेर आमी क्लियर करूंक ना. बरोबर आहा तेजें. आमी खंय त्या प्रोजेक्टाचेर आमी हे दिली क्लियरन्स दिलें, आमी इसी दिली एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स दिवंक ना. आजून हाज्या फुडें की एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स जे आसा पळय न्हू, पब्लीक हियरींग दवरलें आहा. डेट आजून दिवंक ना, ताज्या फुडें डिसायड जातलें. पयलींच कित्याक बोवाळ घालता स्पीकर सर? हांवें सांग सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. म्हजें म्हणणें आजुनी ग्रीन प्रोजेक्टांक सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आसा. ग्रीन इंडस्ट्रीचेर आमी सपोर्ट करचे ना
थिंगा
जाल्यार
आख्खो
green job
एनवायरमेंट
कशें
डिस्टर्ब
जातलें?
जाता. थिंगा लोकल
Green job
फिशरमॅन
क
थिंगा
support
काबार
करपाची गरज
जाता.
आसा.
थिंगा लोक रावता सगळ्या एसटी कम्युनिटी तरी आसता प्रोजेक्ट मुखार
Alex Lawrence.
Speaker sir.
Alex Lawrence. एक पहिलं तू दिता
Speaker sir, let me answer the honorable member.
Alex Lawrence.
Because sir, see, Port Actaचेर आमी जायत फावटी उलयता आहा, and it is about ownership of land for the Marmagua Port Trust. आता 1 lakh square meter is the land in question. आमी ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचे हांवें पासून जायत फावटी we have spoken against this project. Why? Because there are a lot of issues. Now, I just want one specific question. CZMP 2011, you said you are going to, it is in force. You have said that you will not do anything other than based on 2011. Now it is already that what you said is right. Window pane oyster, it is in Schedule 1. Now I just want I want a clear-cut answer from you. Is this project, can it be done after it has been specified, it has been earmarked for this window pane oyster breeding center? Just one. Just one specific question.
This area has not been marked for oyster shell.
It is
What
marked
was
already.
marked for oyster shell was Shikali.
No, this also is marked. The entire area is marked. One second. The coast is, entire area is marked. It is not
This is
specified.
opposite.
One second. Speaker sir, it is not marked. Huisan exactly boundary mark zalna, but the entire area marked zalya. Okay, let him say that if it is entirely marked, will you take it up or not? That is my answer.
Yes.
See, my stand is very clear. The government has not taken a decision on the project till today. As far as the government is concerned, the application has been uploaded on the Parivesh portal only on 11th of July 2024. We therefore require time to study the proposal. 11th July 2024 is just 1 week ago. So give us time, we will study, and accordingly we will take a decision after studying various aspects, including the Environment Impact Assessment report.
Speaker sir, only let it go on record that we have raised these objections because these are substantial and substantial because it is eco-sensitive area. So I would only put it on record that he should consider this before doing anything. Thank you, Speaker.
Vijay Sarsai.
Speaker sir, since the minister has made it clear that the government is yet to take a decision on this issue, एकूच मंत्र्याक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, नावशी म्हणटा एक फिशींग वर्ल्ड आनी मार्क जाला जावं ना हें दुसरी भशेन. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन हे नावशी आसा, हें एक जालें. मेन स्पिकर सर तो मिनिस्टर, लॉ मिनिस्टरूय बी, म्हणून हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां, MPT म्हळ्यार नॉट MPA, MPT got into a lease deed with Khargwal Construction when in 2010, 2010 MPTन खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शना कडेन लीज डीड केली. कितले जमनीची न्ही, वॉटरफ्रंटाची 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर. आतां त्या टायमाचेर MPT was not the owner of that. So MPT got into a lease deed with somebody without owning the property. Speaker sir, हे म्हजे कडेन लीज डीड आहा. I will place it or I will send to the legislature secretary by email immediately. Major Ports Bill, Speaker sir, 2016 आयले. Major Ports Authority Act 2021 आयलो. ताजे मागीर MPT became MPA. आनी ताजे मागीर IPB प्रपोजल्स तांणी सबमीट केलो आनी IPBन तांकां पयलीं परमिशन दिलें 2015. पूण मेजर इश्यू कितें आहा स्पिकर सर, कोणाकूय कसलें परमिशन दिवचे पयलीं जमिनीत तर म्हजी न्ही, हांव एप्लाय कशें करूंक शकता? म्हजी जमीन नासतना हांवें काडली आनी युरी कडेन तर लीज डीड केली आनी युरीन एप्लाय केलें. जावंक शकना स्पिकर सर, पयलीं जमीन म्हजी आसपा जाय. सो हांव एक मंत्र्या कडेन मागतां की हो एस्पेक्ट तुमी पयलीं चॅक करा. आनी दर आमकां आनी आमच्या सरकाराक दिसता की आमचे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅनांचो इंट्रस्ट आमी राखूंक जाय जाल्यार MPTचो एग्रीमेंट खरगवाला बरोबर 2010 जो केल्लो, जेन्ना तुमी नाशिल्ले हांगा तेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लो, तो एक्सक्यूज घेया आनी ताका भायर उडया आनी शेतकारांक राखा.
Yes. Minister.
आनी स्पिकर सर, तेन्ना कोण मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो, कितें आशिल्लें तें हांव वचूंक वचना. कित्याक वचना? कित्याक MPT तेन्ना गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या अंडर येनाशिल्ली. हांव केन्नाच म्हणना की गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या अंडर MPT आयल्या, ना, हांव तें म्हणना. हांव फकत इतलें म्हणटा की MPTच्या बापायचे बेस्ट म्हणून MPT चिंतता. MPT हॅज बिकम अ स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट. बेतलान मेरेन तांकां लागता. आरोसी बिचार
प्रश्न कितें तुजो?
हांव एकूच ताका पॉयंट आवट करूंक सोदतां की जमीन म्हळ्यार वॉटरफ्रंट MPTचो नाशिल्लो. नासतना दे वेंट इन टू अ लीज डीड विथ खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन. खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन तुमचे म्हऱ्यान आयलां, IPB म्हऱ्यान आयलां, GCZMA म्हऱ्यान आयलां, परमिशन दी म्हणून मरिना घालपाक. जमीनूच तुजी नाशिल्ली तेन्ना तूं घेतलो कसो? विल यू कन्सिडर दीस?
Speaker sir, I will definitely consult the learned AG and get back.
Yes.
But we will definitely
Carlos Ferreira.
study this aspect.